The top 8 fruits that prevent and kill cancer. Fighting cancer with nutrition just makes sense. And it turns out many delicious fruits have powerful anti-cancer benefits. Let's explore the top 8 nutrient-packed contenders. But before we continue, we'd like you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our future amazing and entertaining content. Now back to the fruits. Number 1. Pomegranates. We'll kick things off with the dual-toned pomegranate. Inside each of those tart red orbs are hundreds of edible ruby arils, positively bursting with cancer-fighting antioxidants. In fact, pomegranates contain higher levels of antioxidants than most other fruits. The edible seeds inside pomegranate arils are rich in punicalagins and punicalins. These unique antioxidants offer 3 times the antioxidant activity of red wine and green tea. They prevent DNA damage by neutralizing free radicals that wreak havoc in the body. Unchecked free radicals have been linked to heart disease, dementia, and yes, cancer. By protecting DNA structure, pomegranate compounds can help prevent harmful mutations that lead to cancerous growths. They also reduce inflammation pathways, commonly overactivated in cancer patients. Various lab studies demonstrate that pomegranate extract can slow the spread and growth and even prompt programmed cell death in cancers of the prostate, lung, skin, and breast. The potent punicalagins, exclusively found in pomegranates, seem to be heavy hitters when it comes to demolishing cancer cells. One study confirmed that daily pomegranate extract treatment for 18 months slowed prostate cancer progression. While larger-scale human research continues, incorporating fresh pomegranate arils into fruit salads, yogurt parfaits, and skewered fruit kebabs can be a tasty, nutritional move. The juice makes a great mixer too. Number 2. Blueberries. Next up are sweet, versatile blueberries. With that deep blue hue comes a megadose of antioxidant power. The phenolic compounds in blueberries mop up rogue free radicals implicated in chronic diseases and cancer development. Here's an interesting fact. The deeper the blueberry color, the higher the anthocyanin content. So be sure to pick the darkest, plumpest blueberries you can find. Those phenols and anthocyanins prevent cell damage by neutralizing free radicals before they can interact with healthy cells. Lab research reveals blueberry extract strongly suppress the growth and spread of breast, colon, and ovarian cancer cells. The berry extract seems to prompt anti-cancer effects by modifying cell signaling pathways related to tumor development and inflammation. Number 3. Strawberries. From blue to red, let's shift our attention to sweet, juicy strawberries. Beyond their deliciously sweet flavor, strawberries owe their vibrant red color to antioxidant phenolics called anthocyanins. Researchers believe that the anthocyanins in strawberries demonstrate notable powers against cancer development and growth. The anthocyanin most abundant in strawberries is pelargonidin. Along with other polyphenols like quercetin and fisetin, strawberries wield a nutrient-dense antioxidant payload. Lab studies reveal extracts from strawberries slow the proliferation of oral, cervical, colon, and prostate cancer cells. Other lab findings suggest strawberry extract promoted leukemia and breast cancer cell death, while leaving healthy cells unharmed. The berry extracts seem to fight cancer cells through various mechanisms, blocking cell signaling pathways needed for tumors to survive, while also enhancing the programmed death of cancerous cells. A human study published in Scientific Reports confirmed eating strawberries, freeze-dried equivalent to about 1.5 cups fresh, for 1 month reduced multiple markers of cancer risk. While larger human research is limited, adding strawberries to your diet is an easy and scrumptious way to load up on healthy protective compounds. Number 4. Oranges. Now to a vibrant fruit loaded with vitamin C. The orange. While the classic orange isn't as flashy as other tropical fruit, it still packs a healthy nutritional punch. Beyond immune-supporting vitamin C, Oranges contain an array of antioxidant plant compounds linked to cancer prevention. Much of the anti-cancer abilities of oranges can be attributed to citrus bioflavonoids. Hesperidin and naringenin in particular display powerful antioxidant capacity, along with anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting effects. Research indicates these citrus flavonoids can inhibit tumor growth by targeting the cell's ability to multiply and grow. Lab findings show hesperidin promoted the cell death in human colon cancer cells by triggering programmed cell suicide. This cut off the immortality driving the uncontrolled growth. Meanwhile, a study found greater citrus fruit intake was associated with lower esophageal cancer risk. This provides promising clues about the cancer protection oranges may offer over a lifetime. Sweet, juicy clementines and navel oranges make perfect quick snacks on the go. Or try experimenting with orange sections by adding them to green salads, grain bowls, and oatmeal. Number 5. Grapes. On to another delicious yet underrated fruit. Grapes. The antioxidants giving grapes their deep purple hue also gives them anti-cancer superpowers. Resveratrol in particular has attracted research attention. Studies demonstrate this beneficial polyphenol can inhibit cancer cell growth and prompt cell death across an array of cancer cell lines. By modifying proteins and gene expression, resveratrol can effectively switch off the pathways malignant cells need to grow, gain blood supply, and spread. This mighty antioxidant has proven anti-tumor abilities when tested on cancers of the prostate, colon, skin, and more. Beyond resveratrol, other grape antioxidants like proanthocyanidins, quercetin, and catechin also seem to possess anti-cancer abilities. In fact, a review of multiple studies concluded higher intakes of grapes and grape products were associated with lower risk of breast, colon, and lung cancer. Research confirms that regular table grapes harness anti-cancer abilities similar to wines made from Concord grapes. So even if wine isn't your thing, you can still boost your wellness by enjoying fresh table grapes. Keep a bag washed and ready to grab in the fridge, or try roasting grapes in the oven for a tasty twist. Number 6. Apples. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, at least according to the popular saying. Turns out science supports the cancer-blocking potential of these nutritious fruits as well. Apples contain a unique combination of phytochemicals and fiber that researchers believe could suppress cancer cell growth. Much of apples' anti-cancer abilities can be attributed to a phenolic called quercetin. Concentrations of this antioxidant compound are especially abundant in apple skin. A review of numerous studies concluded that apples show the most significant association with reducing lung cancer risk. But studies also reveal apple intake is linked to lower chances of developing colon, prostate, and breast cancer. Lab findings show apple extracts reduced growth and spread of colorectal, liver, and breast cancer cells. Quercetin seems to target cell pathways, regulating oxidative stress and inflammation, often out of balance in those with chronic diseases, including cancer. The fiber content of apples may also play a role. Short-chain fatty acids, created during fiber fermentation, promote beneficial gut bacteria linked to weakened cancer cell progression. Crunch into apples whole, baked into homemade muffins, or thinly sliced to add to green salads. With so many varieties to choose from, keep apples stocked for easy grabbing whenever cravings strike. Number 7. Cherries. Next, let's shine the spotlight on cherries. Both sweet and tart cherries contain a spectrum of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory phytochemicals that science suggests could block cancer development. The red pigment in cherries comes from anthocyanins. In addition to providing vibrant color, these antioxidants mop up damaging free radical molecules before they can harm healthy cells. Cherries also contain a small dose of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. Researchers are studying if melatonin inhibits cancer cell growth through multiple pathways. While human research is still emerging, the preliminary ability of cherries to combat cancer is exciting. Enjoy cherries fresh, frozen, dried, or as juice. This versatile stone fruit pairs perfectly with dark chocolate too. Number 8. Papaya. Lastly is the gloriously orange papaya. Originating from Central America, papaya is now grown in tropical locales around the world. This sweet, musky fruit contains the powerful enzyme papain. Along with other nutrients in papaya, like lycopene, research confirms papain has anti-tumor effects. In fact, papain has been shown to halt cancer cell growth by up to 90% while leaving healthy cells intact. Studies indicate papain blocks certain pathways that enable cancer cell growth and survival. Papain also seems to halt the spread of cancer cells by preventing new blood vessel formation to feed the tumors. There you have it, my friends, the top 8 fruits with science-backed abilities to combat cancer. From the ruby red seeds of the pomegranate to the tropical enzyme magic of the papaya, fruits hold so much protective potential. Do your taste buds and health a favor by piling your plate with fresh, in-season fruits today. Not only will you uplift daily nutrition, but years of routine fruit consumption can aid lifelong disease prevention in tasty ways. We'd love to hear back from you in the comments. Which fruits are you most excited to indulge in after today's video? Did we leave any cancer-fighting contenders off our top 8 list? If you enjoyed this nutrition rundown, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you'll be the first to know when we release our next health video.